What's up everyone, welcome back to WRX Garage. Today we are doing another lighting modification. We're going to be working on my car today. We've been doing a lot on Kyle's and it's finally time to get mine up to speed a little bit here. We're going to be addressing a couple different things today. Quite a few actually. First off, we're doing an oil change now. I've been needing to do that for a while, but we're not really showing that because everyone's seen an oil change done. And so in the front, in the rear, we have two issues we need to address. One, my license plate lights are flickering. It could be just a bad bulb or a bad connection. We're gonna be looking into that. Two, we're gonna be looking at my front sea lights because they have also been turning on and off. And of course, right now they're working fine. And on the way down here, they're working fine. So I can't really show you guys, but we're gonna try to find an issue if there's a wiring issue, or maybe we might have to replace the driver because they are the really old ones from Morimoto. So they've probably been on the car for, 4 or 5 years now, or probably 3 or 4 years. And then we're also gonna be switching over to the LED. Yep, so that's the two things we're fixing. For new installations, in the front, we're switching over to LED amber blinker bulbs. We have the LED flasher, what's it called? The relay?
Yeah, the flasher relay, in case that because you have the LED blinker, the resistance will be different. So put the relay in there so it doesn't do the hyper blink, because that's super annoying.
So we're doing that. In the back, we're switching to the Diode Dynamics Tail. Turn. I think it's gonna look a lot better. I do have the red out on my blinkers in the back of the taillights. I think it'll look a lot better with the blinker as the actual sea light. So we're gonna be switching over to those. We're also gonna be installing the replacement white LEDs for the stock reverse lights and the stock turn signals.
Yes, this will be your whole reverse. So instead of reverse blinker, it'll be all reverse blinker, and then obviously brake light as well.
Yeah. Yeah, so we got a lot to do today. Let's get right into it. All right guys, so just a brief overview of what we're doing in the rear here. We have the tails turn plus backup module from Diode Dynamics. I do have some different bulbs we're going to be using instead because you can find some pretty quality LED bulbs that are reliable off Amazon for literally half the price or a quarter of the price of some other ones that are on the market. So we have the replacement white LED 7440 NAs right here from AUXITO, and then also from AUXITO from Amazon. We had the 912s, 921s, which are also going to be going back here. So just to open this up in the back, I do have the wiring, which is a little more difficult because of the sea light. And then, so we're going to be going in here, putting the tailless turn right here, essentially in line between the stock harness and the plug going into the back of the headlight, tail light. And then we're placing one bulb here and then one bulb right here. Simple. So we're doing the lazy way. We're not removing the lining all the way, but bed lining. As you guys can see, we pulled out the two stock bulbs. Pretty simple, just turn and twist. I already pulled one of the bulbs out. This is where your smaller one's going to be going, the LED, the 921/912. They're the same size and you can go either way. Make sure you scrub those pins a little bit to make sure the connection's nice and good. And this is the stock 7440 amber turn signal you're going to be replacing with a white. So I'm just going to do this one-handed. Without yanking on or breaking the bulb. There we go. So let's see if we can see that. Going from amber to the nice LED. This is a big beefy boy.
Ew!
Yeah. I hope this thing's massive, dude.
Yeah, it'll be good. It's fantastic.
Oh, I should have.
Very good one-handed.
I know.
I'm not helping at all, so you're doing fantastic.
Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, the bulb might be too big for the hole, man. I think it is. So we got those bulbs in, nice and simple. Now we have, Kyle, please.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm a very busy person. We get a lot of people congratulating us on the 500 subscribers.
Yeah.
So that's why.
Giveaway video coming soon. So we have the tailless turn right here. Pretty simple. Male into the stock female. And then Kyle, if you want to do the honors here.
What am I plugging in?
That into that.
Okay. Okay.
Pretty simple. And now we just got to worry about where we do our tap harness. We figured it out. Essentially, you're just tapping right onto the harness that they provided right there, the green. Let's see if I can get that. There you go. Pliers. There you have that T-tap on there, T-tap clamp. It's going to be connecting those two back into each other. All right, this is how it looks. Again, mine's a little more complicated because I do have the harness coming out for the rear brake light. It's a mess of wires, but this is the Diode Dynamics, pretty simple.
Basically plug and play. I mean, you need one little T-tap.
Right.
But let's try it before we do the other one. Go blinkers again, or flashers I should say. So that's the new. And this is the old. Try reverse. Take off the flashers real quick. Keep it on reverse. Alright, so we might have a problem with that LED bulb.
Let me see something.
We're gonna check it.
All right, we got everything buttoned up. Tail is turned installed. We got the 7440 LED. We got the 921, 912 LED right here. Everything's all set. The only issue we had was our T-tap, the clamp. It just wasn't tight enough when we were connecting the two, and we just we bent one of the little pins, but everything's all good now. So there's my tail is turned sea lights. That looks so much better. Wow. Okay, going to reverse. And I'll show you guys what this looks like at night. So we got the LEDs right here and here. These are not gonna be very bright right now, but trust me, at night, these are gonna be lighting up everywhere behind me. Dope. Do you want to turn the...
Here's that.
I just want to check, yeah, the brake light still works, good. Can you switch it onto running lights? One click on the headlights, perfect. And our little red LED bar is still on. Ooh, she's... Yep, that's dope. Awesome.
How's it look when I do this? So blinker and then putting the brakes on.
Do it again. Just do blinker one side, then brake. Yep. One more time. So as you guys can see, the tail, the turn signal takes over your brake light on one side, but we still have on our WRXs, we have two other lights. We have one right here in the back behind the windshield, the rear windshield that acts as a brake light, and we also have the other side. And for me, I also have the little LED in the third brake light there, the fourth brake light, I guess you could say. So
your F1.
Cool. F1 light. Thank you. I was clicking on that.
We got you.
All right, let's work on the front of the car. So I lied. We're not done with the rears, guys. We're going to be working on the license plate lights and see if we can get those to stop flickering. It's so annoying. It really is. So let me see if I can show you that actually.
Super blink, super blink, super blink. Boom, 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 boom.
It could just be an issue with the actual LED itself, because I did buy some pretty cheap ones off Amazon. I upgraded to some pretty good ones that are a lot better, so we'll see how that goes. Okay. So to replace those license plate lights, we're just bending this down. As you guys can see from underneath, you just turn these little bulbs, or these little sockets here, and there are your LEDs. You know, they look pretty bad, to be honest. They're a little rusty. I did this when I first got the car.
I'm gonna say.
So we could have an issue in between the connection here or in the pins themselves. So we're gonna take a little wire and a screwdriver and just scratch those and get the some new contacts in there, some new metal. We'll replace those with Where are they? Oh yeah,
Yeah, I think it's...
a whole pack of them. So these are BRISHINE, and they got some really good reviews on Amazon. They're not the cheapest I can find like last time.
Second cheapest?
Second cheapest, yeah.
Oh, look, oh, you got enough for my car.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, he's so nice. Oh God, look at these. You get an LED, you get an LED.
You get an LED.
Damn, how many LEDs are in there?
I know.
Like 8 of them?
I bought a pack of 20, 10. I think I got 10.
20.
Buy in bulk, baby.
Where's the brake? You just
AUXITO.
Okay. Make sure those pins are making contact.
Okay.
All right. Before you do anything.
But I want to see once they're in there. If
Oh yeah,
they're
so it was just a
shake.
bad LED I think I had.
Alright, let's see if I can get this.
Plus, if I ever need more.
You might as well just keep them in your car.
Yeah.
Okay, so now Kevin's driving. Okay, bad LEDs. Easy
Yeah.
fix.
That was really easy. All right, finally time to move on to the front. Yeah.
So we're changing out those orange bulbs to LEDs. So that is how bright it is now. And we will show you the after. So Kevin's gonna go underneath and replace those real quick.
Screwdriver?
Scalpel? Oh, you got it. Behind your, yep.
Oh. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yes.
Just a wee bit longer, huh?
I hope he's the right size, man. All right.
Okay, wanna go try it? You might not be able to tell because it is, right in the middle of the day, but it definitely looks better in there.
Come look the other side. So it's like a darker orange. I think it matches the sea light a bit better.
You can kind of see this a little bit more intense, so Kevin will get a better picture when it's in the dark. All right, we're gonna go do the other one, and then we'll get back with you guys when we try to figure out why Kevin's sea lights are.
Get these off.
Now I told him we should just not even the sea lights, open these back up.
Hey, family friendly, Kyle.
Open these back up and go Diode Dynamics, black out that orange.
I agree.
reflector.
I think I might have to.
If you just dove over his swear word with the dolphin from SpongeBob, you know?
Yeah.
I probably will.
And then probably make his the slim sea light.
Mama
like
Foley,
mine is.
Kyle's using bad words.
Yeah.
Come get him. Make him sit on his bed for half an hour.
I gotta go to timeout. Too many dolphin noises.
Too many dolphin noises. Okay, guys. End of the day. We're all done with my car. We're just buttoning everything back up. Gonna put the pop clips back in there. Everything looks great. I'm gonna cut right here to what it looks like at night.
Night clips.
And we're back. Okay, cool. So everything came out great. I'm really happy with it. Those blinkers are super bright, which is cool. I think I might need to do a refresh on my front end at some point, replace those sea lights. The sea lights, it was just a bad wire, I think. So I might have to go with the LED bezel similar to Kyle. We might have to repaint my front bumper because of how many chips there are in there, but new lip kit coming next month. Max in Design, we'll see how that goes. Cool, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep tuned in for all of you guys who have done the giveaway, participated in that, entered into the giveaway on that video. We are selecting the winner later today. We're gonna be making that video coming up soon, so make sure you guys watch out for that. Thank you so much to everyone for all of your support and helping us hit 500 subscribers. We hit 500 in about 5-6 months, and hopefully we'll get to 1,000 within about half that time. So
yeah,
super exciting. We'll keep you guys posted on everything we're doing, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.
peace.